Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is Cloud FinOps and the Cloud FinOps basically, right? So you might have heard about the FinOps in terms of cloud, in terms of or in context of cloud specifically, right? And this is not only a term, but it has a lot to offer for organizations, how we are or we should use the cloud, as well as what are the different practices, principles that are designed, and those are part of Cloud FinOps, right? So Cloud FinOps is going to be a collaborative practice, right? And which is designed to help for the organizations to maximize their value when they are obtaining cloud, as well as whenever they are investing anything or any platform to be used for the business purpose, for the business requirements, right? So there are different cloud providers, right? Different service providers, including AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform. These are the major public cloud providers. And apart from that, there are many third-party cloud service providers as well, right? So those are specific to different industries or different businesses, but the public cloud providers who does provides a lot of different cloud services, right? And those are the services those can be used by any business, any service provider, or any organization, right? And those would be utilized for business on effective way. So that is when the Cloud FinOps comes in, right? So how it is going to help organizations to utilize the cloud platform and its services effectively, considering financial cost or the cost associated with each of those cloud platform, cloud services, those are going to be used, right? So this approach combines effective financial management along with the flexibility and scalability offered by cloud services and cloud service providers. Also, it is a shift, which is a cultural shift, which brings the technology together, including finance and business, to drive financial accountability. And then it brings the business value to realize the cloud transformation for the businesses. So this means that whenever we are investing a lot of money into the cloud platform, and we are using and we are going to leverage the cloud platforms and cloud services for the businesses, right? This way, it is going to give the accountability to the different teams and different organizations within the organization, and they are responsible and accountable to hold their responsibility and manage that one, right? And this way we can also maximize the cloud potential, along with understanding of the budgets of each project or each product or each service that we are going to use for the business, right? And it also brings the financial visibility, enhanced cost management, and it improves the business value on the realization when we are investing some money on particular project, particular cloud platform. Then it gives the capability to bring that to the business at the later time, right? And yep, so there are different principles of Cloud FinOps. So what are those, and how those principles talked about and helps to the businesses, right? So the first principle is accountability and enablement, which helps and focuses on setting up cross-functional teams establishment, including governance and standards for managing cloud spends. Also, it is very useful and crucial step to ensuring financial accountability as well as business agility for the businesses and organizations. The second is measurement and realization, which is a KPIs and matrices. It's going to develop measurement of cloud usage and success along with the transformation. And it also gives us a cost matrix, unit economics, and business value matrix to reveal the impact of the cloud decisions, right? So if we are spending so and so much amount or money, then it is going to give us the matrix and the realization, how much we are spending, what was the spend, and how much we have transformed since we have moved to the cloud. The next is cost optimization, which is a pillar of this all the principles, right? and which consist of methodologies to manage the cloud consumption and cost-effective manner. And this area is optimization, includes resource optimization, pricing optimization, and architecture optimization. So these are the three key areas or key pillars which focuses on cost optimization, which really needs to know and understand, and it is going to help us to bring the cost optimization on each aspect of the cloud spend, right? So next is planning and forecasting. So this is something which allows and helps us to forecast and develop the understanding of cost drivers. Also, we can allocate spends and achieve the cost efficiency and optimize the cloud usage on each of the aspects as well as each of the drivers that we are going to foresee in the future. So these are the different capabilities which we can bring on with the planning and forecasting, as it's going to give us the capability to understand and plan beforehand everything, right? The next is tools and accelerators. So there are definitely different tools that we can leverage. The first tool within the cloud platform or any cloud platform that we are going to use from the public cloud providers, they do provide cloud cost management tools, which are employed to analyze real-time billing and cost data. Also, those provide some automations capabilities, automation scripting, which used to get the account guardrails, right, and guardrails and budget alerts, so that we can decide how much we are spending on particular service, particular development, particular innovation, particular experimentation, and basis on that, we would be able to decide what is the further cost and how much we should spend and what are the budget that we have allocated for each of those capabilities, right? And towards the end of this video, I also wanted to tell you about the benefit of Cloud FinOps, right? So there are a few benefits that definitely helps us, and those are the benefits that we should definitely implement so that we know what are the practices, what are the benefits that, and how we can leverage the cloud effectively, right? So the first benefit is cost efficiency, which improves the cost efficiency through uh, infrastructure saving plans, then the migrations and support costs, as well as the other capabilities of cloud providers, right? So these are the different capabilities that cloud provider also helps us to save the cost, and these are the benefits of implementing Cloud FinOps in the organization. The second is resiliency, which is enhanced operational resiliency with improvement and service quality, right? And then the securing risk posture, right? Which also helps how we should make sure our resources are secure enough in the cloud and what are the actions that we should take in the future, right? So this way we should be able to take the previous or beforehand actions, and we know what is expected, what is not expected, and what are the downside or downfall of that situations, right? The next is velocity. Velocity is nothing but the time to the market to accelerate the products and services. This means that whatever the product or whatever the service that we are going to launch to the customers, or be it in-house customers or external customers or anyone who is going to use that product or services. So this is going to give us that benefit and capabilities to leverage the cloud capacity, cloud services effectively, and we can bring our products online ASAP as soon as possible, right? And the last is cultural principle. So being or by implementing successful FinOps practices, we can rely on its cultural principles that foster collaborations and teamwork across organization, includes finance, IT, business units, and which helps emphasizing financial stewardship along with the efficiency and business focused decisions making process, right? So all of these are the capabilities that we can foresee, and we can see that those are going to help organizations to foster their decision making, and it is going to bring the capabilities of individual ownership of their respective organizations, respective project, respective teams. And this is way we can make sure the investments are being deployed and used appropriately, and it is not something anyone can bring any system tool, any platform, anything as per their own decisions, and it is not aligned with the business decision or improvement, or maybe something which organization is not really looking for, right? So yep, this is the Cloud FinOps. If you have any questions, any doubts, anything, please put them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to watch other videos I have made on FinOps, Azure, and Microsoft 365. So these are the three major areas that I talked about. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And yep, thanks for watching. See you soon.